kecuali penyetip sih dalam kelatin sangat pada saya ki dan barok. Oh, saya reply kom ini join dulu naya. Kanjat cherry jonga namar idei pro khasi jonga ibang besa duga tata and then ngan accept ya.
Hello my dear family members. Actually, I have no mood of uploading these videos again and again because I respect her identity, I respect her life, I respect her individuality, and moreover, I respect her apologies. But still then, she continued to do the same thing even though we respect her. So please try to understand. We are not trying to condemn you, but rather we are trying to correct you so that you may be aware what you are doing. Because by seeing you, there is a possibility of other children or other young people will follow you without knowing what they are doing. And don't ever try to challenge us that we cannot do anything, but rather we can do anything and everything in this world. You may be staying in USA or UK or Canada and Australia or anywhere in this world. Then do you think that we cannot do anything since you stay in Bangalore? No. We can do anything, my dear. So please mind your language and stop using unnecessary words which is unacceptable in the society.